Hey guys, in this video, Steve and Pat are removing the cowling across the front or the top of the hood, which is faded. It's black plastic, which is now looking gray. So we're taking it off and we're gonna be refinishing it with a product called Back to Black. Let's go check it out.
Taking off these plastic pieces, gonna pull them out, clean them up, and then spray them with some Back to Black to make them nice and shiny.
Nice. Because they're looking a bit sad right now.
They do look a little sad.
And here's a quick before and after that Pat did. Before, after. Before, after.
Wow.
Yep.
Incredible.
Yep, classy videos here, Steve. What's it like always being right, Steve?
It's kind of fun. Although I'm not always right.
No.
But when I'm around certain people, I tend to be right more than not.
He's talking about me, Pat.
It was aimed at kind of both of us, I think.
Nah.
From now on, we're just going to refer to Steve as the talent.
So now that we got this off, you guys can see how sun faded this is. So this is actually not too bad to take off. You got to take the wiper arms off. There's one Torx on the top here. There's the 10mm nut on each end underneath these covers. And then you need to disconnect the two switches for the sprayers. And then once you get, and then there's two Torx bits down, two Torx connectors down here. Once these all come out, then you can lift this up a little bit and you'll turn the connector here and line it up, and the washer fluid line will come free. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna clean this up and then spray it with some Back to Black and get her back to looking like $1 million.
Awesome. Show us the product, Pat.
Black on back.
Black on black. Okay. Awesome.
Steam cleaned it. We wiped it down, blew off all the water, so there is no water. All parts are dry now. Next step is to spray the black on black, and tongue twister, and make sure we just have even coats. Get all surfaces, all corners, all crevices. We can let it dry, or we can let it buff out if we want, but we're just going to let it dry to a gloss.
Hey guys, so we are just about finished with our trim detailing video. More Project 996 videos coming soon. We've got a lot of exciting stuff that's going to be happening over the next month, so stay tuned. Grab your 996 merchandise from autoamateur.com, baseball caps, hats. Come along for the journey. And as always, the thing that's most important to us is that you comment below and you give us your thoughts. Are we doing the right thing? Have you got any other ideas? Or the things that we don't know about? Hit us up in the comments. And 996 should be coming on for Labor Day. Cheers, guys. See you now. Bye.